Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 9 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located from Sandwich to Leland, Wedren, and Dayton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Plainfield, Otsego, Ottawa, Yorkville, Morris, Channahon, Minooka, Plano, Sandwich, Coal City, Marseilles, Sheridan, Montgomery, Boulder Hill, Lake Holiday, Diamond, Seneca, Silmanock, Serena, Mazon, Newark, Leland, and Braceville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north-central and northeastern Illinois. The severe